it's never ending, controlling. I can't see to find myself again. My eyes are closing in. Not a sense of confidence. It's not just too much pressure to take. I felt this way before, so essential. The soundscape will collapse. It's going to
of the 400 firefighters who first reached the scene may be dead.
Thousands of lives were suddenly ended by evil, despicable acts of terror.
10,000 people in each tower would typically be in there on a normal business day, and we get about another 5,000 visitors during the course of the entire day. So by 8:30, 9 o'clock, the building should have been full.
Terrorism has been alive and well throughout the rest of the world for a very, very long time. And you can point to many different places, and it's come to our shores big time. Now we need to understand that.
Discomfort in the sea has pulled itself upon me, distracting, reacting against my will. I stand beside my own reflection. It's haunting how I can't see.